Hey guys, it's Vina with StudioVina.com, where you can learn to pole dance at home with me. Today I'm going to be talking about how much space do you need for a pole at home. How much space do I need? That depends. If you're brand new to pole dance or dancing at a beginner level, you won't need as much space as somebody who is advanced. Beginner level pole work keeps you close to the pole and you focus on building strength and skills for bigger tricks. 6 feet from center is the standard answer, but this doesn't account for those who are taller or shorter than average. Because let me tell you, when I put heels on, I am over 6 feet tall. I've moved around a lot. So I've learned how to quickly analyze a space before renting or buying a home. So I thought I'd share a few ways to test a space and see if it'll work for you. Option 1. This method is quick, and it's a good estimation. It's great for house hunting, so you'll pick what you hope will be where the pole goes. But remember, you need a joist or stud to mount the pole, even if it's removable. So, intermediate advanced dancers, lay on the floor. Yes, I have actually done this in front of realtors. Arms overhead, reaching towards where the pole would be. Do this on all sides of the room, where the pole would be all the way around the room. And if your feet don't touch the walls, you're good. But don't forget to accommodate if you plan on wearing heels, because they make your legs longer. Now, if you don't want to lay down on random floors, before you house hunt, go ahead and measure yourself with your arms extended and use this measurement. Beginners, you can just measure from your head, as you'll need less space. Option 2, if you already live in the space you plan on putting your pole in, use a stud finder or the knock method to find out where your joists are. When you find the joist, mark the spot on the ceiling, then take a piece of string or anything straight, mark the X on the floor, or you can use a shoe or whatever to mark the spot, and then use that same method of measuring either with yourself or the measurement you took of yourself. Option 3. Maybe you have a large space, but there are objects like chairs, couches, things like that. In this case, I look for at least one area that allows for a full extension if I'm doing like a reverse grab. However, this doesn't apply to beginners because beginners shouldn't be doing reverse grabs. Your requirement for space is much smaller, remember. Beginners, you're simply going to walk around the space pretending you have your pole in your hand and making sure your arms and legs don't touch anything. If you find there's something heavy in the way, you can buy small plastic discs that go under furniture to make it easy to push it out of the way. What if you don't have a large enough space? You've done these tests and you're like, I don't know. Is it still worth buying a home pole? That depends. If you're currently at a studio and you're doing it just for fun, enjoyment, and social time, save your money for class. If you would like to see faster progress and you use pole for staying in shape, or maybe you have a goal of becoming an instructor, then yes, even in a small space, a pole can be very useful. Because the more consistent your pole time, the faster you can grow your skills. And there's a lot you can do in a small space. In fact, I think I know someone who can help you train at home.